In this video, I want to talk about the Ring indoor camera and the Ring pan tilt camera. These are pretty similar. The pan and tilt has a couple different options that we'll talk about. So right off the bat, these are very easy to set up. There is a QR code on the back and you scan it into the Ring app and it guides you right through. I have a bunch of Ring devices and I wanted to add some more to my repertoire. I thought I'd test both of these out. So we'll start with this one, just the Ring indoor camera. What's nice about these are it has a little privacy thing here that goes either way. So if you want to protect your privacy, you can do that. So when you put that privacy cover over the camera, it doesn't just cover up the lens, it also deactivates the camera, so no video, no audio, nobody can see or hear what's going on. So it is true privacy, which is nice. And really, this is the most basic of basic cameras. It can be mounted. This comes off right here. You can attach that to the wall even, because it goes all the way back like this, which is nice. Or you can attach it to maybe a shelf or something, and then clip it in like this, and good to go. You can also mount the pan tilt right here. You can just use this plate if you want, or you can use this. Say you don't have a shelf, but you want it to just kind of sit on a shelf. This locks in here, like that, and then you attach this to the wall, and this clips down on here. So you have a lot of options for the pan tilt. So on the back here, you can see they have a spot for power. These are different. This one is a USB-C, so they are not interchangeable. This one comes with a 10-foot cord, and this one comes with about a 6-foot cord. They are plug-in, they do not have batteries, so they do have to be plugged in at all times. So you can tilt it all like this. The only difference between this and this is in the actual app, you can move this. It rotates this way and it tilts this way, hence the pan tilt. So with this one, you could zoom in and move the camera around, but this one, you really have a very wide range of what you can actually get on this camera. And again, privacy screen, like that. And the features are all kind of the same. They have motion detection. They even have a siren that you can activate. You can talk to whoever is in your house through the app and have all kind of the same things as far as those settings. The big difference is the range that this camera has. So it's a little bit of a step up from this one, which is the most basic. If you just want a little extra peace of mind, just set it on a mantle like I did at my house, and you'd be good to go. So if you are interested in either of these cameras, hopefully this video helped. Thanks for watching.